Are you aware of the most commonly used phrases in English? These are phrases that native English speakers use daily, and understanding them is key to mastering the language. Now, why is it important to grasp these common phrases? Well, they're the backbone of conversational English. They add color, emotion, and nuance to our speech, helping us to express ourselves more clearly and effectively. Moreover, these phrases often have meanings that aren't immediately apparent from the individual words. They might seem puzzling if you take them literally, but once you're familiar with their actual meanings in context, they become incredibly useful tools for navigating English conversations. So, these phrases are more than just combinations of words. They're cultural capsules containing insights into how English speakers think and communicate. They can help you sound more natural, more fluent, and more like a native speaker. So, we have a list of 50 commonly used phrases in English. Ready to dive in? Let's start with some phrases you may have heard before. Break the ice, a phrase used when someone wants to initiate a conversation or alleviate tension in a social situation. Ever heard of hit the nail on the head? It's used when someone precisely identifies or addresses a problem or issue. Now, bite the bullet might sound painful, but it's just a phrase used when someone has to endure a painful or difficult situation with courage. Under the weather is a phrase you might use when you're feeling a bit ill. And if something is as easy as eating dessert, you might say it's a piece of cake. To get the ball rolling means to start something, like we're doing with this list. If someone is caught red-handed, they're caught in the act of doing something wrong or illegal. Something that's cost an arm and a leg is very expensive. If you're on cloud 9, you're extremely happy. Jump on the bandwagon, spill the beans, burning the midnight oil, once in a blue moon, beating around the bush, the ball is in your court, let the cat out of the bag, a blessing in disguise, kill 2 birds with 1 stone, a dime a dozen, go the extra mile, hit the hay, don't cry over spilled milk, grasping at straws, in the heat of the moment, and break a leg are all phrases that you'll hear in everyday English. That's a lot to take in, isn't it? But don't worry, we'll go through the rest in the next scene. Alright, let's continue with the rest of the phrases. Cutting corners means doing something in the easiest or cheapest way, often sacrificing quality. All ears is when you're paying full attention or eager to hear what someone has to say. Burn the candle at both ends is to work or stay up late into the night and wake up early in the morning. Call it a day is to stop working or put an end to an activity. And there you have it, 50 commonly used phrases in English. Now that we've gone through these phrases, let's quickly summarize. These common phrases or idioms are part and parcel of the English language. They are like secret keys that unlock a deeper, richer understanding of how the language is used in everyday conversation. Mastering them will not only add color and nuance to your spoken and written English, but it will also greatly improve your comprehension and fluency. When you know these phrases, you'll be better equipped to understand the context and connotation of a conversation. Not to mention, they can be quite fun to use, but remember, these phrases are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless more idioms and phrases waiting for you to discover and explore. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. So keep practicing these phrases and soon they'll become second nature to you. Until next time.